Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to teach you new chapter of SST. So let's start. Chapter number 17, Our Rich Culture. This is a chapter of SST. So let's start. So dear students, when you will open your book, so the first thing which you will see that it is written get set. Get set here. What is written in get set? So you can see that read the clues. Some clues are given in which you have to fill. What you have to fill? Write the names of the states. So here some languages, some famous dances, some famous places, and some you can say that the dishes are also written and some costumes are also written. You have to only they identify their state's name where they are famous. So the first one which is given here is Mathili. Number 2 is Bihu. Number 3 is Fatehpur Sikri. Number 4 is Vada Pav. Number 5 Vindaloo. Number 6 Chirao. Number 7 Malayalam. Number 8 is Firan. Number 9 Pongal. And number 10 is Bhangra. So just think. So students, now it's time to tell the answer. Number first one was Mathili. That is, you can say this is the language of which is spoken in Bihar. Bihu is a famous dance of Assam. Fatehpur Sikri is a place which was made by Akbar and it is in Delhi. Vada Pav is a food item, is a special food of Maharashtra. Vindaloo is also a food which is very famous in Goa and Kerala. Chirao, that is a famous dance of Mizoram. Malayalam, it is a language which is spoken in Kerala, Lakshadweep. Firan, it is an outfit which is worn by Jammu and Kashmir. People of Jammu and Kashmir used to wear this firan because Jammu and Kashmir is a very cool state. You can say that it is very cold. Pongal, this is a festival which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Bhangra is a famous dance of Punjab. So dear student, now we'll start the chapter. As you know, the name of the chapter is Our Rich Culture. So it is related to the rich culture of our India. So India is rich in art and culture. India is a country where we are living. Indian languages, dresses, dances, music, monuments, paintings, handicrafts and festival enrich her culture. So all the things which I have explained here, that is related to India. Now first of all we will deal with the language. There are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Hindi and English are the official languages. Most languages are written from left to right, but Kashmiri, Sindhi, and Urdu are written from right to left. This is very worth keeping in mind. Dresses. Now come to the dress. As we will see the dress, then what we will see? The people of India wear different dresses. Women wear saris, salwar kameez, jeans, shirt, skirts, and gowns. On the other hand, we will see that men wear jeans, trousers, shirts, and t-shirts. This is very common. In some states, men wear kurta pajama and kurta dhoti. So you can recognize it very easily, kurta pajama and kurta dhoti. Some men also wear turbans of different types. So turban means pagdi, which men used to wear on the top of their head. Now, whatever I have explained you about the language and dresses, this is the thing which is very common, whatever which the medium through which we can communicate. So this is our language, and what we wear, this is our dress. So, here, after languages, dresses, one more thing which is very important and through which we can identify or we can say something about their any country or any state, that is dance is very famous. So here we are describing about the dance of India. Folk and classical are two types of dances in our country. So we are talking about India, so here folk and classical dance. Folk dances are performed on marriage. So especially folk dances are performed on marriage, birth of a child, festivals, change of seasons, and sowing and harvesting of crops. Sowing and harvesting means that is when we lagana and katna. The classical dances began in temples. Later, king encouraged these dances. Some famous classical dancers are, this is very, you have to keep in mind, that is their names which I am going to tell you: Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sharmila Biswas, Malika Sarabhai, and Sonal Mansingh. So, student, please learn all four names. They all are classical dancers. Now, after dance, which that comes in everyone's mind is which is music. Music is very important thing. Yeah, you can say that music plays a very important role in our life. So now I am going to describe music. Music is also of two types. The one is classical and that is folk. The Bihu Geet of Assam. So this is very famous. You can underline Bihu Geet of Assam, Pandavani of Chhattisgarh, and Bhagavad Gita of Karnataka, and Baul Sangeet. That is Baul Sangeet. Please, student, don't get confused. That is Baul. Sangeet of West Bengal are some example of folk music. There are two main styles of classical music. So here that is Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani music developed in the north and Carnatic music in the south. So here you can see that Anand Bhatt, Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti, Ustad Rashid Khan, and Shubha Mudgal are some famous Hindustani classical singers. Singers, you can say that Ranjani and Gayatri D. Karthika Anga and Shankar Mahadevan are some famous Carnatic classical singers. Shankar Mahadevan is a very famous, well-known personality. You can also see on your television Shankar Mahadevan. So here next part you will see in my next video, or you will listen in my next video. So till then, wait and watch this video and learn something good. Thank you, my dear students. Bye bye. Take care.